how to pin videos on TikTok on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can pin videos on your TikTok profile on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the TikTok app. And next, go to your profile. Once you're here, click on the video that you'd like to pin. Then next, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then choose Pin from the options. So now this video has been pinned to the top of my profile, as you can see there. You can do this for multiple videos just by following the same steps. If you would like to unpin a video, click on the video, click on the three dots, then click on Unpin. And that will unpin that video from my profile. And that's all it takes to pin videos on TikTok on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.